She rises from the ashes, stronger than before. A warrior with a heart of gold, ready to soar. Through struggles and pain, she finds her way. Empowered and fearless, she seizes the day. She's a queen in her own right, a force.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to the
Ito na naman tayo.
Mabuhay.
Yes. Happy Sunday sa inyong lahat. How is your Sunday, ladies?
Good. Very
Well,
well.
my Sunday is here on the road. Traveling.
Yeah, this is fair.
Wow, sis Faye. Business is ongoing. Kahit
Traveling.
nasa road.
Business on the go nga. Business on the go.
Is portable on the go.
Yes.
Portable business
Ayan.
on the go.
Magandang ating start today kasi it's Sunday and we have a long weekend here in UK, so tomorrow will be a bank holiday, so mahabang weekend dito sa amin. So yes, okay, shall we start, ladies? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Para sa mga OFW, mga kabayan, mga Pilipino from all over the world, hello po. Welcome po sa ating live chat tonight, and we are super excited po to introduce our newest business partner all the way from the USA. So siya po ay si Sis Marie J. Stewart. She is an immigrant mom, physical therapist, wife, and a mom of 2 amazing girls. So Marie's journey is truly inspiring. She's had 3 jobs and no time for family hanggang sa isang life-changing decision na nagbago ng lahat. Okay. So this is why we are here, exactly to share stories of hope and hard work, and how this business can give us that time of freedom and that we all deserve. So without further ado, let's all welcome Sis Marie para marinig natin ang kanyang kwento. Okay.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Kumusta kayo dyan lahat? So, my name is Marie J. Stewart, originally from Baguio City. Now living here in New Jersey. So for years, I struggled juggling 3 jobs, missing out on important milestones with my kids. Of course, na-stuck ako sa daily grind because of that great American dream. So walang time for self-care or family. So I have my 9 to 5. And then after that 9 to 5, I go for another 5 to 8. And then uuwi ako. Siyempre yung ang problema dyan, hindi ko na nakikitang gising yung mga bata. Tapos walang quality time. Kung meron man, yung bang tira-tira na lang. Mahirap yun. Tapos family time, of course, iti-juggle ko rin yung responsibility as a wife and a housekeeper. Ganun talaga. So, dumating ang time na dadasal ako na sana bigyan ako ng sign. Ano pa bang, I know there's something else for me there. Kasi meron financial and job insecurities that time. So, I was already dito kasi sa Amerika by pag-increase ng salary mo is based on experience, not on the kind of school that you have. At saka yung degree that you get. So nag-pursue na rin ako ng higher studies, natapos ko na rin yun. Pero sabi nila ceiling na daw ang aking salary. Tapos nagkataon na nagkaroon ng cut-off, hindi naman nagka-cut-off, nagtatanggalan na sa trabaho kasi magkaroon ng Medicare cost cutting. So unang tatanggalin yung mga sa side ko as a physical therapist kasi hindi naman essential yun. So basically, even though I have 3 jobs, parang bang nag-wonder ako, what is it for me? Ito lang ba talaga? My bills are still coming in. The kids are still there. They still need me. And of course, may family rin sa Pilipinas na, alam nyo, tinutulungan din naman. Pero blessing yun sa akin kasi meron ako. I'm able to do that. So, ano naman yung living natin dito, di ba? So, when I came across an ad back in 2019 of a friend na sabi niya something's coming up. She's also a physical therapist and she was already full-time in the business. She gave, hindi na siya nag-practice na therapy. So, napatanong ako, ano ba talaga to? So, ang masaya dyan, na-introduce niya sa akin tong business na so. Pero, of course, I was doubtful. Ano ba talaga yan? Pero, nakita ko na kakaiba ang business. Titingnan ko kung ano ba talaga to yung I was skeptic. Kasi nga, kaya ko ba to? Kasi wala naman akong background sa business. Tsaka, paano ko i-juggle yung time ko, yun ang struggle ko doon. But, I have to do something different. So, that somehow opened the gates of wondering, is it really for me? Thank you.
Yes, so how inspiring, ano? Can you imagine 3 jobs ang sinajuggle mo, and then aside from that, your family, and you are a busy mom as well. So yeah. Sorry guys. So let's proceed na po sa interview questions natin. And yes, let's start with Lisa. If you can introduce yourself first, just briefly introduce, and then we can do your ask your questions, guys. Thank you. Okay.
Hello, everyone. I'm here. My name is Lisa, and I'm here in the UK. I'm a single mom of 2 children, and I'm a nurse as well, and I'm a part-time digital business owner. So, hello, I'm Sis Mary J.
Hi.
Welcome to Powered Women. And can you remind me again, where part in the United States, where are you from?
New Jersey.
Oh, New Jersey. Okay. Yeah. So your story is so inspiring. Hearing after what you've been through, and it's nakaka-inspire talaga. Mahirap yung mag-juggle yung 3 jobs, but I'm really glad na to hear na life-changing decision for you. So it's really nice to hear that. So I have a question for you. So going back to your yung life mo back in 2019. When you were juggling 3 jobs and you were missing milestones. So what was your turning point that made you say, I need to do something different?
Very good question, Lisa. So, ang nag-push sa akin to do something different is yung fear ko ma-fail ko ang failure of being a mom, because I believe na even though I'm working, nandun na yung mom guilt na I'm missing, and then wala ka na nga, nag-fail ka pa financially. Ano ba talaga ang pinuprove mo sa sarili mo? Paano naman yung mga kids at saka mga bills? Ayokong dumating sa point na maging homeless kami. I still need to put food on the table. o kaya mag-resort sa other difficult choices in life. So, tapos naisip ko pa, kasi as we age, hindi na natin kaya yung mga physical na job masyado. As a physical therapist, mabigat din ang trabaho ko. Physical din yan. So, naisip ko na paano kung hindi ko na kayang magbuhat ng pasyente. Naisip ko na paano na if I cannot show up at work, paano na kung nag-fail ang health ko. Anong maibibigay ko sa mga anak ko? Anong maipamamana ko sa kanila? Hindi ko mapapamana ang trabaho ko sa kanila. So, I needed something na pwede kong ipamana sa mga anak ko. And at the same time, even though, financial drain, gusto ko pa rin, I would like to make a difference in helping other people still. Kasi yun ang parang ang urge ko na kung bakit ako nandito sa mundo. I always like to help other people. So, yun ang pinaka-turning point ko. Naghahanap ako ng something different that would allow me to spend more time with the kids and at the same time provide for them and secure our future. Because as an employee, anytime pwede kang matanggal, anytime pwede kang bawasan ng trabaho or oras mo. So, I wanted a backup plan. Yun ang aking turning point.
Thank you. Thank you, sis.
So, let's move on to the second question, which is Rosalie. Ano ang tanong mo kay Ate Marie?
Hello everyone, ako po si Rosalie na naman. Ako po ay taga-Padova, Italy, dental assistant for many years na po. So, grabe naman pala yung pinagdaanan mo, Marie. So, talagang, alam mo yun, ramdam ko yung bilang isang ina ka, nagsakripisyo para lang mabigyan ng magandang kinabukasan ng iyong pamilya, no? Pero ang nakakabilib, hindi mo hinayaang manatili ka lang sa sitwasyon mo. You made a brave decision and I admire you for that. And yung sinasabi mo na answered prayer ka, so praise God dahil ang ganda nung sinabi mo na, yun nga, lahat naman tayo talaga na answered prayer kasi talagang we started desiring it na magkaroon nga ng side hustle kahit tayo nagtatrabaho. So, talagang hindi tayo nagkamali sa decision na ginawa natin, no? So, ito yung aking katanungan. Sabi mo nga kanina, you mentioned that this business was your answered prayer. Ano yung nakita mo sa opportunity nito na nagbigay sa'yo ng pag-asa at napayes ka?
Naku, Ate Rosalie, nung nakita ko itong business na to at saka yung kanilang program, I fell in love with it. Sobra kasi para bang namuuli yung dreams ko. Nagkaroon na naman ako ng possibilities na pwedeng mangyari ito. Even though I was juggling 3 jobs, ang ganda ng digital business because it works for busy parents. It works around our schedule. Ang training, pause and play, kahit na anong oras. O kaya habang nagda-drive, naka-headphones ako, nakikinig ako sa training, nakikinig ako sa mastermind. Tapos, katulad nga sa ating mga business partner na on the road, nagagawa ko rin yan. So, nakakatuwa kasi hindi ko kailangan magbenta. Ayoko nagbebenta eh. Hate ko yan. Tapos, walang inventory.
Yeah.
O, saan ka pa? Tapos, maliit lang ang startup cost compared sa mga traditional businesses na may mandaming overhead na tapos wala kang empleyado, sarili mo lang.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos, wala kang store na kailangan na i-maintain. Wala kang mga pinggan na kailangan hugasan at the end of the day. Hindi mo kailangan magising ng maagang-maaga or para lang mag-run ng business. You run your business on your own terms. Kahit na 5 minutes lang on your bathroom break, mag-answer ka ng team support. O kaya, tawag dito, tapos yung global reach ng digital business, nakaka-amaze. At tapos kahit saan pwede mong dalhin basta may laptop ka tsaka may cellphone. Yun nakakatuwa. I take it with me kahit nasa biyahe ako. Tapos nagkakaroon pa ako ng rason para magbiyahe ngayon kasi nakikipag-meet up na ako sa mga ibang business owners. So nakakatuwa. Yun ang maraming dahilan kung bakit ako nag-say yes sa ating business, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you po.
Thank you.
Okay. Ang galing. Talagang, itong business na to is very flexible, and you can take it anywhere you go, and hindi mo na kailangan magbenta. Especially kung gagaya natin, we are all working moms here, and naisasali natin ito sa ating busy na buhay. Okay. So, the next now is Sis Vicky from Italy. Yes, Sis Vicky.
Hello, everyone. I'm Vicky Asuncion from Italy. I'm a ticketing sub-agent for already 17 years now. Hello, Mary J. Thrilling naman ang iyong story. You know, may kasabihan tayo na during the hardest moments, it brings us closer sa right path. Ang buhay nating mga OFW, napansin ninyo, halos lahat ay na mga moms, inuuna natin yung mga benefits ng ating mga anak, diba? Yan lagi ang nangunguna sa ating priorities, na mabigyan natin sila ng time, na mabigyan natin sila ng magandang kinabukasan, diba? So, natutuwa ako sa'yo na natagpuan mo din tong digital business na to dahil katulad ko na meron na din trabahong may pamilya, pero alam mo nung right moment na nakilala ko ito during pandemic, hindi ako nagsisisi. I feel proprio na very lucky na natagpuan ko tong business na to. Ngayon, mula nung natagpuan mo tong digital business, siguro maraming naging pagbabago sa iyong buhay. I'm just curious. How did this business shifted your life personally at as a mom, at ano ang mga pagbabago mula nung nag-umpisa ka sa business na to?
Wow, beautiful question. So personally, marami pong nagbago. Ang mind shift ng being a business owner and an employee is very different. It was a struggle for me kasi all my life na ang turo sa atin, mag-aral ka mabuti, magtapos ka, magtrabaho ka, and then maging masaya ka. Pero reality is hindi naman lahat ng trabaho masaya. Nababurnout ka rin naman, di ba? Napapagod ka rin naman. Minsan Wednesday pa lang, nagtataka ka na, but feeling Friday na. Ibig sabihin na burnout ka na. Minsan nagbibilang ka ng oras na kailan ba ako pwede mag-PTO, mag-holiday uli. Di ba? Nag-aasam ka na. Kaya minsan gusto mo na umalis na dito, magtrabaho, pero kailangan mo pa rin magpaalam sa boss mo para lang magbakasyon. So personally, ngayon I had more time with my family. Tapos as a mom, dadala ko na yung mga bata anyway sa mga bakasyon na pwede ko sila for the holidays. Tapos may mga date nights na rin kami. Nakaka-attend na ako ng mga games nila. So my girls are both athletes. Pareho silang nasa swimming at nasa taekwondo. So they're dual sports. So yung mga yon, gusto ko ako ang magdadala sa kanila. Gusto ko ako ang nag-a-award sa kanila. Gusto ko ako yung nag-take ng picture sa kanila kasi yun yung mga time na nawala sa akin noon. So, I really wanna be there for them. Sorry, teary-eyed ako kasi proud ako ngayon nagagawa ko. And now I'm able to travel with friends. So, may mga group friends ako. Last week, nasa Canada ako. I was able to travel with my to meet with my friends, and at the same time, I was able to meet one of my business partners there. So, kaya hindi ako naka-attend last week. But anyways, yun ang mga things na yung quality time na very important para sa atin. Kasi hindi na natin may babalik yun eh. So, hopefully, sa pagtanda natin, hindi maging option ang mga kids natin, ang family natin, kasi yan ang number one thing for me. So, I don't know, for you, everybody has their own stories, have their own, priorities in life, but this business has been life-changing for me. Thank you.
Okay.
Yan, ang ganda talaga ng very inspiring ang iyong story, Marie. And talaga naman kasi kung talagang may mga childrens ka, mahirap yung mamimiss mo yung mga once in a lifetime na events o milestones ng ating mga anak. So, mabuti na lang itong opportunity na ito ay very flexible. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ni Mary J, no, nakakapag-travel siya anywhere, and the business still running in the background no matter. It's like 24/7, right? Yes, so we can have a bonus question, and this time we are going to connect with Sis Fe, which nagta-travel siya ngayon. Dala-dala ang kanyang laptop. Business on the go, Fe.
Yes.
Hello everyone, hello viewers. This is Fe Cox. I'm from South Carolina. Marie, I'm from South Carolina.
Okay.
I'm a digital business owner and a healthcare worker as well. Kagaya mo rin, naranasan din yung multiple jobs para lang kumita, may pangbayad ng bills. Relate ako dyan. At hindi ko lang ma-relate yung paano ginampanan ng mga parents. Kasi pagdating ng bahay, wala ako kasing anak. Pero marami akong anak sa Pilipinas.
Right.
So, pero yung pagdating dito, yung mga busy parents, pagdating ng bahay, siyempre asikasuhin pa yung mga bata. Hindi ko ma-imagine yun kapag you have a mom of 4, 3, 2, busy at work. So, yun ang talaga challenges ng mga parents. So anyway, I have a questions for you. Very inspiring kasi yung story mo. What surprises you the most about this business? Something that you didn't expect, but you're so glad that you discover about it.
Naku, marami ate. Because I don't have any background sa business. I don't have any idea na, alam niyo, pag online business, kala ko laging scam. But gladly, itong business natin is legal. Lahat po ng yung expenses ko sa pagbibiyahe, as long as it's within working or a business related, pwede ko pong i-declare sa taxes yan. Kasi nakakatanggap po tayo ng tax receipt from the government. So I pay my taxes on it. So one thing's for sure, I was one of the myth of being on a digital business is na debunked personally by me. Kasi kala ko joke lang ito. alam nyo na, maraming nangyayari around the world at maraming taong nagtitake advantage. Tapos, yung strength natin as a mom, willfully, hindi natin alam kung gaano tayo ka-strong until we're really faced with it. Kasi kala mo, hindi mo kaya, pero we're, superheroes yata tayo, kaya natin gawin lahat. Napatunayan yan in many different ways. So the strength that I personally discovered is truly through this business. And na-realize ko rin kung sino ang mga totoong kaibigan at saka hindi totoong kaibigan. And the world is so big. Marami pa tayong makikilala. At saka yung mga nagsisay ng no dyan, maybe it's not for them. Maybe we have to go on to the next person. So, yung strength, it's really an ever-growing ang experience and tawag dito, ang excitement ng ating business. Ever-changing kasi. Yun lang po.
Yes. Salamat, Marie. Yeah, totoo yan, I mean, lahat naman ng taong na nakakasama natin or kalimuha natin can be a blessing or can be a lesson. So, yeah. And yes, bago tayo closing remark, I would like to call on Malu. Nakaabot siya sa... Hello, Malu. Where are you? Hinahanap kita.
Hello. O, diba? Talaga.
Nakita nga kita. Nagsusulat ka eh.
Hello, Sis Marie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome back.
Welcome sa
Finally, you made it.
Sa ating group.
Made it.
Right? Oo, I made it. Yay. Asan na ba tayo? I think I like the way na she says now you lose some friends, but then of course you gain some. Parang ang kagandaan kasi nun is parang ang universe kasi parang may mga mawawalang bagay sa atin, mapatao or kahit anong bagay man para to give space for something better, diba? Kaya I like the way how you said it. Tsaka yung superpowers na nabanggit mo na we're all superheroes, I should say. Superheroes in our own way. Not because we have powers, pero we just have, we have the strength to keep going when it's hard. So, yun lamang. I'm just glad I made it. And nice to have you, Sis Marie.
Yeah. So yes, kilala niyo naman po si Malu, no? She is a super mom. Super busy mom from Canada. Yes. So
from Canada. Hello. Sorry, hindi ko man ipakilala yung sarili ko, no? Sa mga naka-tune in, hello po. Ako po si Malu from Canada. Yeah, thank you, sis.
Ayan. Alam mo, hindi nga kami nakapag-introduce today. So anyway, yeah. So, ayan, meron na naman po tayong napaka-inspiring story ngayong gabi. And of course, sa mga nanonood, remember po that this opportunity is for anyone who wants more time with family. And if you want to take that first step and explore this opportunity, feel free po. So, yeah. So, dito na tayo saan na ba? Okay. Pakilala naman natin ating mga website, ladies. Okay, unahin natin si Lisa. Go ahead.
Yes. Yes, so ano bang sasabihin ko? Like what I have
Go to action.
Like what I have been saying. Wala ako. Like what I've been saying, itong business na ito, guys, it has saved me. And it has gave me direction in life. And before I'll go, I have to just ask, imagine this. you have two choices. Yung imagine this, yung pupunta ka sa trabaho mo, you go to work, tapos magpapakapagod ka physically, mentally, spiritually, ano pa, lahat-lahat. Tapos hindi mo pa kung minsan pag nasa work ka, hindi mo pa naalagaan yung health mo kung minsan pag busy ka, like me, kung minsan hindi na ako nakakainom ng tubig, kung minsan hindi na ako nakakapunta sa bathroom, sa toilet, kung minsan kasi busy na nakalimutan mo rin ang sarili mo. So, and also, hindi mo kasama ang family mo doon kasi you need to go to work on the traditional job. Doon ka sa away sa pamilya mo. Tapos yung isa naman, yung the other side of the picture, kung ginagawa mo itong business na ito, you can do it at home, around your family, and nababantayan mo rin ang health mo, di ba? Pag gusto mong uminom, kumain, o magmerienda, nagagawa mo lahat. And while running your own business, your online business at home. So think about that. Ano yung mga maibibigay sa inyo at saka sa family nyo. So if you want to learn more, pili lang kayo kung kanino nyo gusto gusto nyong mag-guide sa inyo, nandito lang kami, or you can go to my website, which is www.mamalisa-an.com, and register free, and it's your only name, your email address ang kailangan. So see you in the inside.
Hello.
Next.
Dito kayo mukha ko. Hello, so...
Nagulat.
Live kasi.
Yeah. So, hello po. Ito na naman ako. Alam mo, mga kapatid, kaibigan, kababayan, ako ganon din. Punong-puno ko ng alinlangan, doubts sa pag-entra sa business na ito. But, alam mo yun, para kasing imposible, alam mo yun. Pero pinili kong bigyan ng chance ang sarili ko kasi hindi ko naman siya maunawaan, hindi ko siya makikilala ang business kung hindi ako i-entra or hindi ko susubukan. So, kailangan, tsaka kailangan, alam mo yun, palitan mo yung mindset mo kasi doon lahat kasi magmumula kapag pinili mo na or isipin na naku, hindi yan maganda or hindi makakabuti sa'yo. So, hindi ka talaga magtutuloy. So, connect with us, be inspired lang sa mga narinig mong istorya sa gabing ito sa aking website, www.rosalico.com. God bless. Back to you.
Ispe.
Alright. Okay, hello po sa mga viewers natin around the globe. This is Faye. I'm with a business on the go. Kita ninyo, I'm on the road, but I still able to do this business. Like everyone else, I have doubt at first kung magagawa ko ito, but my why is biggest than my fear. So that's why I took action and watched the webinar through the website that I register my name and email. So if you are curious what we are doing, just register into the website. Any website here. My website is www.fakeax.net. You can just register your name and email there. That's all.
Yan, galing.
Hello! Vicky here again. Sa aming mga viewers, siguro maraming na-inspire sa story ni Marie at alam ko maraming nakaka-relate. If you want to join us in this business, ito po ang aking website, www.vickyventures.net. Kung gusto ninyong malaman pa how to start, just register in my website. Okay, back to you, Cheryl.
Marie? Ay, ako na pala. Hello. I wasn't paying attention.
Nagulat
Iisip
ka
ako
din.
ng kwento. Okay, so alam ko lahat tayo mga OFWs at saka mga moms. We all have our pains. Don't focus on the things that you cannot do or the things that people say about you. So, do something kahit na konti. Every single swing of that hammer really counts. Kasi pag nag-breakthrough yan, magtatanong ang mga tao, paano mo ginawa? Hindi nila nakita yung mga struggles natin underneath. Yung mga small things na nag-water dun sa little seed na finally nag-grow up. Hindi nila nakita yon. Ang nakita lang nila yung final results. So, you just have to focus on your why. Gas up and win on your goals. So, people will ask you, so, hindi naman talaga ang winning ad, hindi naman talaga dahil nag 100% ka sa isang test. May mga, yung test na yun, may mga quizzes pa prior to, di ba? So, success doesn't come with the things that you were born with. It comes with what you build. So, don't focus on that hindrance, that big boulder in front of you. So, just stay consistent. And because the people that win are those who never quit. So if you want to learn more of our digital business, my website is www.maryjstewart.com. Register your name and email there, and I will see you at the inside. Thank you.
Yay! Yan. So, thank you, Marie. And sa lahat po ng mga nanonood dito, mapa-OFW ka or Filipinos around the globe, yes. If you're a hard-working mom like us, yes, someone looking or you're looking for some change na pagbabago sa inyong buhay, just like us before, ito na ang inyong sign. Hindi mo na kailangan ng experience kasi meron po kaming comprehensive online training na magagawa mo in any free time. So this is how flexible this opportunity is, and all you need to do is your open heart and willingness to learn. At saka you know, dapat ka maging coachable para matutunan mo ito. So, message us if you're curious. We're here to guide you. So, my website is www.cheryl-young.com. And yes, Malu?
Yes, sa mga nanonood po, pag iniisip nyo you don't have time or nag-aantay kayo ng perfect time, alam naman natin yan na it may never come. Sometimes you just have to create that time by making a life-changing decision. Ika nga, just like what Marie did. So, if tonight sparks something in you, wag nyo na pong i-ignore yan kasi yan na yung sign na sinasabi. And of course, ang oras ay hindi na natin maibabalik pa. Although yung pera, pwede pa rin natin kitain, di po ba? So, ayan. At ito pa yung aking website, www.digitalmsconsulting.com. And yeah, feel free to message me or anyone sa aming mga websites dito. Okay. This is Cheryl.
Ayan. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. We hope that we inspired you today and, you know, from a real story. So, yeah, we are all real people with real stories and let's go digital. Mabuhay!
Bye!
Bye!
Bless Sunday, Lisa. Ciao!
Good night po.
Goodbye.
Good night.
Thank you.